Hey y'all, so guess what? Dossier sent me a couple goodies. I want to try one out with y'all right now. Are y'all ready for these? I'm very excited. This is it. This is the outside box. If y'all haven't seen any of my Dossier review videos or anything like that, I have been using Dossier for quite some time. This one, I saw it on the website and I wanted to try it so bad. I am excited about this. This is Aquatic Vanilla. Now, for the record, my favorite current Dossier scent is Aquatic Coconut, which I knew I was gonna love. But here's the thing with that. It's winter. It is winter. You can see my Christmas stockings behind me. So yes, technically out of season, do not care. Vanilla is amazing any time of the year. And I am a beach lover myself. So anytime I can get anything that smells even a little bit like the beach, I'm there for it. So, and I live in Louisiana, so it's hot most of the time anyway. It looks like it has an orange background and it gives you a card with all the information on this particular scent. So this one is Aquatic Vanilla. It says top notes are marine notes. That's where we at. That's beach. Red fruit, rose. Middle notes are vanilla, orchid, and coconut. And then the base notes are musk, sandalwood, and benzoin. It is inspired by Juliette has a gun, vanilla vibes. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. So let's do it together. I'm very excited. It's been quite some time since I did this. Oh, reminder to y'all, remember, I did see this the other day at Walmart. They are sold at Walmart now as well as Walmart online, or you can just go to the Dossier website as well and you can just search this and go ahead and pick it up there. So, I already like it. What did I say the middle notes were? So middle notes are vanilla, orchid, and coconut. I mean, hi. That's amazing. So, anyway, the Juliette has a gun. I had the original one from, well, I actually had the original, but I gave it to my sister because I didn't like it. But then their dupe for it, Musky Musk, is amazing. So if they covered this the way they covered Musky Musk, I'm excited about it. So let's give it a quick spray. I find the aquatic families do last the shortest amount of time, but you can just respray it and it still doesn't end quickly. It's not like a body spray. It goes and goes and goes and goes and will stay on your clothes after you take it off and all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to try vanilla. This is how I always spray. I don't know if this is the right or wrong way to spray perfume, but this is what I do. I'm gonna spray it on my elbow, wrist. I'm gonna rub my wrist on my other elbow, or my other wrist on my other elbow. And I also spray the neck, especially if I'm going out on a date or spending time with somebody special. I always like to spray my neck and décolletage. I know too, that's a big test with me. If it affects my head at all, I can't wear perfumes. Bro, I wanted to try this for so long and I'm so happy I finally got it because it smells every ounce of what I thought it was gonna smell like. So it smells like vanilla, but not the heavy, cozy vanilla like Ambery Vanilla, which I also love. Ambery Vanilla is the winter scent. Aquatic Vanilla would be the summer scent, the warm scent. Yeah, it lived up to the hype I put on it. It smells amazing, y'all, amazing. So vanilla is one of my go-to scents in a perfume. Vanilla and coconut are two of my favorite scents. So both of these notes being in here is amazing. I am excited about this. I love this. I don't know if it's gonna replace Aquatic Coconut yet, but it could because the vanilla scent is strong in here and I love vanilla. It smells like a cake on the beach. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So this retails for $29, but they are always having sales, especially right now since it's the holiday. So check out the website for the sales. And yeah, I'm still just obsessing over this. This is a unisex perfume. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Hey y'all, please excuse my concealer on my face and no other makeup yet. I'm letting it dry, but this is the time in my beauty routine where I would put on my perfume. So today, now it would be Friday. I showed y'all the Dossier perfume in Aquatic Vanilla. Now I want to show y'all the other new one I got, which is Powdery Peach. So we're going to open it and we're going to smell it together for the first time. I'm so excited. Look, I'll say a dupe of Jimmy Choo I Want You perfume. And the reason I decided on this one, I was very excited to get it. Dossier sent this right over. The scent, there was another perfume I tried last time and there was a scent a note I really loved in it. And I couldn't figure out what it was, and I realized it was peach I was smelling. So when I saw they dropped the Powdery Peach, which this fragrance is pretty new still, I had to try it out. So let's talk notes. First of all, Powdery Peach, the top notes are peach, tangerine, and black currant. And then middle notes are vanilla flowers, jasmine, and leaves. And then we have vanilla, benzoin, and patchouli. So it seems like it's going to be sweet, but not too sweet. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to give y'all a price point when we come back. don't ever have a sweater on when I do my perfume. I'm usually in just my underwear, but obviously with y'all I'm not gonna get that crazy, but I'll get a tank top. So let's see, I'm excited. I definitely pick up the powder. It smells like fresh, like out the shower. I have two more powders. I have powdery coconut and powdery orange flower, and they both smell pretty good, but let's see what we got here. Powdery peach. Right off the bat, I smell the flower more. I think that's the white flower I'm smelling. Which, I don't really like florals, but... Oh, yeah, it's already drying down. Never mind. It's already drying down, too. It smells fruity. It's like you can't put your finger on exactly what fruit it is, but... It smells like peaches and cream. Honestly, that's exactly what it smells like now that it's drying down, so... It's not a gourmand, so it's not super sweet, but... Okay, I'm gonna let this sit while I do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about it. Yeah, now I smell the peach. It's fresh and sweet. Okay, let me go do the rest of my makeup. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, let's talk about powdery peach. I will tell y'all, nope, I was gonna say it faded a good bit, but it's not. I think it's just a scent that doesn't bother my head that much, so I'm not really noticing it, but it smells so good. The only thing is this is not a linger in the air type of fragrance, like you have to smell it on you. Or somebody gets close enough to you, that's why I always spray my neck out. It drives guys crazy when you do that. So I spray my neck and my decolletage, and then I spray my elbow and my wrist, and it smells really good. Like this is one while I'm driving, I'm gonna be doing this. I do that all the time when I try new Dossier perfume. So let me give y'all a quick price point on that. Okay, y'all, so this one does also retail for $29 even. I smell, like I said, it smells like a peaches and cream vibe. You can also now get Dossier at Walmart. Yeah, you can get it at Walmart on the website. They're always having sales. Just keep checking on the website. Oh, I don't know if I made this clear or not, but I definitely suggest this powdery peach. It's fresh smelling. It's like clean. It's fun. It's like flirty. It's girly. I really like it.